Veneers are a paper-thin shell that are bonded to the front of your teeth. People get veneers to restore their smile. Every veneer is custom designed to fit your teeth and enhance your smile. Dentists often recommend dental veneers to correct several issues with a patient's smile. Some of the imperfections that are corrected include fixing crooked teeth, improving misshapen teeth, lightening stained teeth, restoring worn-down teeth, and closing the gaps that are in between teeth. Your dentist may suggest you get veneers for several teeth or just one. There are 5 types of materials used to make dental veneers. The most commonly used materials are composite and composite porcelain. When the veneers get placed, they will match the natural appearance of your teeth's enamel. Porcelain is also known for its stain resistance. Resin veneers can also be designed to match the natural color of your teeth. During your dental appointment, your dentist will discuss the different types of veneers and which veneer is best suited for you. The material your dentist selects is determined by your specific goals and needs. Typically, you will have to schedule 2 dental visits for a procedure involving veneer replacement. Depending on the condition of your teeth, your dentist may trim your teeth's enamel to the thickness of your veneer. The dentist will then make a mold and take an impression of your teeth. The molds and impressions are sent to the dental laboratory that will make your veneers. While the veneers are getting made, your dentist will place temporary ones on your teeth. Once your veneers are made, the dental laboratory will send them back to your dentist. These permanent veneers will be placed at your second appointment. Your dentist will place each veneer on your tooth to make sure there is a proper fit. If necessary, your dentist will adjust the appearance and fit of the veneer. When the veneers are fitted properly, they are bonded to your teeth with dental cement. You may experience tooth sensitivity and discomfort after your veneer placement. Any pain or discomfort you experience will subside after a day or 2. If necessary, you can take over-the-counter pain medication to alleviate your discomfort. You should call your dentist if you believe your veneers need adjusting or feel too big. Having proper fitting veneers will ensure that they last for years to come. When you receive your veneers, you will be advised to avoid biting into foods like hard candy and ice. You should also avoid chewing on items like pens and gum, as these items will damage your veneers. If you have a problem with nighttime teeth grinding, your dentist may suggest that you use a mouthguard to protect your veneers. With proper maintenance, your veneers will give you a beautiful smile for many years. Contact your dentist to learn more about how veneers can give you a beautiful smile.